Can Shiba Inu coin really explode 274%? Now, yes, the answer is yes, it absolutely could. It's a possibility. Is it guaranteed to happen? No, it's not guaranteed to happen. But Shiba Inu coin is explosive in nature. So we're going to go over that a little bit in the video today. We're going to talk about this article, what these guys are saying here. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and I do want to say thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to this channel already, please do so. But with all of that being said, YouTube is really cracking down on cryptocurrency content, and November 17th, they changed their policy. What is permitted, however, is simply general discussions about crypto and news. This is obviously a news article. We're going to be going over it. It is a very optimistic news article talking about price predictions. Now, I want to be very clear. Nothing in this video is a promise, promotion, suggestion, recommendation, anything like that. And when we talk about price predictions, they are just that, predictions. Nobody knows what is going to happen next, and nobody can predict with any certainty. So there are no guarantees being made. So some of you guys don't get that. I literally have comments on some of the videos. Some of you guys don't get that. The vast majority of you, however, do get it. So I'm very sorry that I have to repeat this disclaimer in every single video. But before we jump into Shiba Inu coin, before we jump into this 274% potential move, I want to talk real quick about Pepe Node. Pepe Node is a tiny little meme coin that has already done $2.222 million in ICO activity, and the price is going to increase before you guys are done watching this video. 8 minutes until the next price increase there. But what essentially this is you're buying your little server room, you're buying your first node, you're combining your nodes, and then you're selling your nodes. What that means is the more Pepe Node that you own, the more you're going to be able to earn. Now, with that, is it guaranteed returns? Absolutely not. But I want to show you something, right? These are the latest purchases for Pepe Node, and these are people taking a chance. Somebody bought $5 worth, $43 worth, $20, $45, $7, $11, 50 cents, $2, $6, $14. Go on down the list. What this boils down to is people are willing to take a very small lottery ticket chance on meme coins right now. Now, I do believe that this will shift when sentiment shifts, right? We're sitting in a fearful situation, level of 20 fear. We can't expect meme coins to thrive during levels of fear and extreme fear, but people are still willing to take their little chance. If something happens to Pepe Node and it does end up going up, they're going to have some to their name, and they're going to be able to take advantage of it. So do your own due diligence. Use that link down in the description below to check this token out and simply make a decision. You guys don't have to buy into it. Absolutely not. There's nothing guaranteed about it, but it is an interesting token that you should know exists. So let's talk about Shiba Inu coin and its potential move here. It says Shiba Inu coin rebounds over 14% as a tightening falling wedge signals a potential breakout towards multi-month highs, with analysts outlining major targets. Now, right now, Shiba Inu coin is maintaining the lower trend line. I want to be very clear that it hasn't been able to break out of this trend that's been happening over the last 2.5 months. Shiba Inu coin has continued to hit these lower lows and lower highs here, and it is curling back over as Bitcoin is curling back over as well. Shiba Inu coin would have to break back up above this level around 900 points per coin and around 1,000 points per coin before it breaks out of the descending channel here, but it is getting close to breaking out of its moving averages. We've got to keep that in mind. There are plenty of signals and plenty of signs we can look at. And yes, Shiba Inu coin is maintaining its negative trajectory, but there's a lot of technical indicators that could be broken to the upside very quickly. It says, SHIB shows signs of a stronger rebound as market momentum shifts back towards bullish sentiment. The meme coin moves higher after recent reversal signals restored confidence among traders. Analysts say that the latest recovery places Shiba Inu coin on a clear path towards a potential falling wedge breakout, and the developing structure now drives discussions about a larger move that could extend to multi-month highs. And this is where they get these levels from. So Shiba Inu coin back in December of 2024, hit 3,300 points per coin. And if it breaks this descending wedge that it's in, Shiba Inu coin could break back out and move towards that 3,300 point per coin level once again. Now, 3,300 to 3,500 points per coin on Shiba Inu coin is extremely important, because if we go back, years, we can see 3,500 points per coin, major resistance. It was just a wick above 3,500 points per coin back in March of 2024. If we go back here to 2021, Shiba Inu coin stalled out at 3,500 points per coin in the May rally. Shiba Inu coin stalled out on its first round up, about 3,500 points per coin. And when that level was broken, it hit its all-time high, ripping up to 8,800 points per coin. So guys, yeah, SHIB could rally. Doesn't mean that it will. Shiba Inu coin could rally back up to that 3,500 point per coin level. But it's major resistance that needs to be broken if Shiba Inu coin could ever expect to hit an all-time high. Now, I remain optimistic, so I continue to accumulate. You guys got links for everything down in the description below if you want to research it. Let me know what you guys end up deciding. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.